Grade 11's, this is Analytical Civil 2. We're working drawings of a proposed new dwelling with relevant information and a table of questions have been given to you. So the instructions request of you to actually neatly print the answers in the answer blocks as provided on the answer sheet. You will find that there is a view here which is a floor plan and another view here on top which is an elevation, and various numbers referring to various components on the floor plan. Let us turn our attention to the various questions, and we go to question number 1. What is the project number? And that project number you're going to find right here. That is where you're going to find the project number PP 140. We're going to write that in our answer section right there, PP 140. Question 2. How many revisions have been made to the drawing? Here you find the revision section where you have revision, date and description, what it is, the date and the number of revisions, and in this case there were 3 revisions made, and we're going to write that in our answer block. Let's go to question number 3. What changes were made to the drawing on the 3rd of the 7th, 2014? And we go to that specific date over there, and that was the new TV room was added. And we're going to go to our answer, the new TV room. Question 4. In which town is the dwelling situated? And if you scroll down, you will find all that information here. 29 Church Street, and that's in Craddock. So your answer is going to be Craddock. Question 5. What is the drawing number? And we're going to scroll down. And that number you're going to find here, 006, and that's what we're going to write in our answer section. Let's go to question number 6, 7 and 8. Name the feature at 1, that's 6. Number 7, name the feature at 2, and number 8, name the feature at 3. Let's go find those 3 features by scrolling down. Number 1 refers to this stoop part here where there's an entrance, but specifically at that over there, and that's the step that raises you to the stoop section over there. So that is going to be our steps that we're going to have there as number 6. Then we scroll down to number 2. Number 2 refers to this block here with the diagonals inside, and that would be built-in cupboards, which is going to be written right there. Let's go to number 3. Number 3 is going to be found right here. It refers to this chain line that we see here, and that chain line would be your finished floor level FFL. And we will write that in at number 8. Let's go to number 9. In which direction is the arrow at 4 pointing? And we go down to number 4. That refers to this north direction symbol here. That arrow points always to the north. And that's what we're going to write in there, north. Let's go to number 10. What does the abbreviation NGL stand for? And that's simple enough. It is natural ground level. Number 11, how many external doors are there in the dwelling? And we are going to count them. So if you scan all over the external or non-load bearing wall, external doors are only doors that lead to the outside. So you're going to have a front door and you're going to have a back door here in the kitchen. And that means that there are 2 external doors in this dwelling. Number 12, what will view A be called? So we have to go down to our view A, which is this part over here, which refers to this section over there. How do we know that? There's the window represented in this front side here. But if you look at your arrow says north here. So if you place that arrow here, north is going to be that side, south is going to be here, west is going to be on this side, and east here. So this here, which is represented by view A, will be nothing else than your south elevation. Number 13, what would the view on the cutting plane AA be called? So we are going to go to that view AA in your drawing. And there we have the cutting plane AA, and that is only a section through a window. So it is classified to be a section view or section AA. Number 14, what is the floor finish in the passage? So we're going to scroll down to the passage, and we will find that in this particular passage here, you are going to have tiles as your floor finish. There we write in tiles at number 14. We go to number 15. How many hinge openings are there on the bedroom window? So we are going to scroll down to the bedroom, and there is our bedroom, and that is the window there, but we can't see how many hinge openings we have here. So we have to scroll up to our elevation, and there we have 1, 2, 3 openings. These refer to the openings of the different parts of the window. So there are 3, and we are going to write in there 3. Number 16, what is the abbreviation for the fixture at 5? So we move over down to number 5. Number 5 refers to this water closet over there. Your abbreviation is going to be WC for water closet. Number 17, determine the perimeter of the dwelling in meters, and you need to show all the calculation. So we are going to scroll down to our floor plan, and we will find that we have a length from here to here of 12 meters, which is 12,000. And there are two 12,000s, which would be 212 meters. And we have a width here of 9 meters 600, which is situated that side and this side as well. So 2 9.6s and 2 12 meters. So we're going to have 12,000 times 2, which is 12 meters times 2, plus 9,600 times 2, which is 9.6 meters times 2, and we are going to get 24,000 there, and 19,200, which is 24 meters, and plus 19.2 meters, and your answer simply is going to be 43.2 meters. Once those zeros have been taken away and we've added the comma there, you will find it boils down to 43.2 meters. Number 18, determine the area of the bathroom in meters. Show all calculations. So we're going to go down to the bathroom. Here you're going to find your bathroom. The length of your bathroom is 2,700 millimeters, but we are going to be working with meters, so it's 2.7. And you're going to find that the width is going to be 2,200, which is 2.2 meters. If you go to your calculation block here, your answer block, you're going to find 2.2 meters, which is going to be 2,200 times 2.7 meters, which is going to be 2,700, and they times each other, 2.2 times 2.7, and that answer will result into 5.9 meter square. Remember, 5.9 meters square. Number 19, in the space provided, draw a neat freehand sketch of the front view and top view of the item number 6 according to the SABS symbol. So we are going to go to number 6. We scroll down to number 6 and we find that number 6 is a bath, and this is a computerized symbol, and you will find that your bath is going to look like that there. There is a slanted section on the one side, a straight 90-degree angle on the one side, and it must be done in freehand. This is going to be your elevation view, and this the rectangular box is going to be your plan view, and there's going to be a circle on this side here, which you can't see, which is opposite to the slant side. Learners, that concludes Analytical 2. I hope that the information will be used in your floor plan.